Now I noticed that you have something similar over here which is not connected to the instrument, but you also have space for two here. What's this?
Exactly. There's a couple things to point out here. One is this is a ReactIR IC10. This is our first really small instrument, newest generation. This was introduced about 4 years ago, and you'll notice that there's no cable on this piece here. As you noted, there was a cable over there. That's because with this instrument there's no capability to capture the temperature information, so there's no reason to actually connect a cord to the instrument because there's no information to transfer. Over here we have the cord, because you can see that there's an RTD1 input and an RTD2 input. This is the ReactIR 45M, which we introduced 2 years ago. This instrument, because it's newer, does have the capability and the electronics necessary to capture the temperature information, so we need the cable. Now, this instrument can accept either this older style sampling technology like this, which is similar to the mirrored conduit, where we simply connect this to the silver flange and then clamp it down. This instrument, using this DS interface, can either be a dual probe interface, which we refer to as the MultiplexIR, or it can be the single channel interface. In both cases, in this case, we have two cables to connect the temperature from the RTD and the tip of the probe to the electronics for both, and the third cable here is for power to drive the multiplexer. And the way that works is that we can collect information from two different sampling technologies. They can be similar sampling technologies. It could be an EasyMax with two reactors, for example, that where you're collecting information from two similar reactions at one time. It could be something completely different, where you have you want to collect the information from a liquid phase and from a gas phase, or the headspace of a reaction. So you have a liquid sensor probe like this, an insertion probe, and then a gas cell on the other. And it simply just moves from one to the other continuously.